Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, I am going bowling with some friends. And we've been wanting to do this for a minute now, but it's never made it outside the group chat, if that makes sense. So I am on the way to the bowling alley now, and the sky is looking beautiful. I don't know if you can see it with this camera, but it is looking beautiful. I'll give you some clips whenever I get on the road and you can actually see the sun, or the sunset.
What was that?
Oh, I thought it was the vape, bro. I thought it was the vape.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh, shit.
Here.
No.
Come here.
No.
I'll show you a magic trick.
Oh. Oh, God.
Yeah, let him do it to you.
Where we go?
Oh, fuck him. Oh, hell no.
We're going to pinstrikes.
Oh, hell no. You ain't doing that to me.
Pinstrikes, 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's not 30 minutes.
25, my bad.
It's not 25 minutes.
It is.
It is.
Yes, he just
Stockbridge?
Yeah.
It's
Traffic, bud.
lower.
Well, let's go. Let's hurry the fuck up.
Alright, so the first place that we went to was an hour and 30-minute wait, so we decided to go to another bowling alley, which is like 30 minutes away, and they have no wait, so we should have called beforehand, but we thought since it's a Monday night, it wouldn't be busy, but little did we know it's busy. So yeah, we're going to the next spot. Hey, won't zoom that far. Oh yeah. Okay. Good ones at all of them. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Oh yeah. Oh.
I don't like how that came off my thumb. I actually don't. That felt bad. Ooh.
That's me.
Oh.
You know it's a warm up round?
Shit.
It's a warm up. Kind of slow, to be honest.
What's that, 3?
Yeah.
Was it? Hey, good form? Oh.
The curvature wasn't right.
No way. Hey, 13 to move.
Throws it, okay, a little bit to the left. Damn, bruh.
That did not go too good.
It did not. Hell yeah. You did okay, you did better, bro. You did more to the right.
Bro, I thought he was going to do that straight in the gutter. He kind of got that. Okay.
Bro, I keep feeling like I'm gonna let it go back in and just fly back here, dude.
Jump up, down.
Oh, he got that. Hey, bro, you hear it? What's that?
A 9.
Hey, give me that.
Oh, right in the gutter, bro. Right in the gutter.
He raised his fault. Give me this.
Oh, what is that?
A 9.
A 9? Oh. You might throw that in the roof.
Gutter
some
ball.
curve to it. Oh, Hunt. Hunt's up next. Straight. Oh! Okay. I see
You know, all of them were supposed to fall down, but they didn't.
And straight gutter ball.
Opposite way, opposite
Oh,
way.
straight gutter ball, bro. Arb. Arb, let's see what he gets. What he gets. Oh, a little bit to the right. Hits like 3-5 balls or some shit. I know. Bruh. Oh my gosh. Again, ain't even hit a ball.
Sucks, bro.
Fuck these things are called. What are they called?
What? The duck pins?
Pins, I guess, yeah.
What are those pins called? Are they just called pins or are they called duck pins?
Pins?
Ooh! Oh no! Oh no! No!
Eat it.
No!
Eat it. You gotta throw it right, bro. Come on.
Oh, this is good.
Hand warmers? Is that
Hand
a warmer?
warmers. Hand warmers. AC?
I don't know.
AC?
I didn't feel it. You felt it. What the hell? Oh. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
How many pins were that? How many pins were that? 7. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
Big dude, sir. I'm gonna come back. This is gonna be a comeback.
Oh, hell yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. You almost got it?
I'm gonna come back. It's gonna be a comeback.
Hey, Griffin, go for this. One round.
What is that?
15. Yeah.
You doing it next round too?
Yeah, I'm doing the next
Holy
two.
big hands. Bro. I don't know how to do this.
Go. Go. No way, bruh. Maybe that's for him. Oh, I see what you mean.
I know.
They're super
Dude,
extended.
It's like weird on your hand, bro. Oh. Okay.
I was about to go with the bowling ball. Bro, you gotta feel it. You gotta feel it.
I'll try it.
No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I need
It's
to
not your
take a
turn
turn.
yet, buddy.
Whoa, bud.
Okay.
I haven't hit a strike yet.
I can't even fit my fingers.
Nah,
I
try it,
know.
bro. We all had to do
Feels
it.
weird.
Come on.
Bro, get the fuck out of my.
Bro, what? Hey, bro, you chillin', you chillin'.
What happened, bud?
I started off strong. I don't know what happened.
Need it to the right.
Hey, bro, keep that score. Keep it low. Oh, yeah, I lost. Yep, I lost. I lost.
Oh my god. What was that? Oh. Hell yeah. I'm getting in y'all's brains, bro. I'm getting in y'all's brains, dude. Okay. Ooh. Oh,
Green
shit.
giant.
Oh.
Bro is not playing, bro.
Bullshit,
He
bro.
plays this in his room.
Hey, you trained, bro. You said it. You said it yourself. You were training, bro.
Aimbot.
Yeah. Damn, dude. Don't throw it with force. More so throw it with like.
Bro, it's the
Just
ball.
throw it in the middle. In the middle. That shit is magnet, yo.
My thing right now.
That shit is magnet, dude.
I'm losing.
Ooh. Okay.
Close enough.
Close enough. Why the fuck you tossing it? What the hell?
I had to test the weight.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, you seen that? Hey, you seen that? I made that.
Good way to end it off, I
On
guess.
top of you.
On
Watch
top
that.
of him.
Watch that score go up.
Wow.
I cooked it. I cooked it. You won.
68?
Griffin has aimbot.
Bro, I wanted it to go in between them, bro. Oh my god.
I got your set.
You sure? Sure? Oh. You got
Why am I
you got
so
this
buzzed,
shit.
bro?
You got this shit. You want me to help you?
Huh?
You want me to help you?
Can you hold my hips and guide me?
So you throw it straight down the middle. Instead of like,
Okay, alright,
I don't know if I'm gonna do anything, but you got it. You turn your whole body to the left. Or to the right. Oh my god. You put your ball in the middle. Look, the middle of the pin, you do it.
Is that the middle?
I'll put it in the middle this time.
Do it.
I'll try.
Hey, do a 15. Yeah, I know you want to.
I do.
You gonna do a 15.
I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh! Man, you try 15 next game. Try 15 next round, bro. Shaking my
Hey,
head.
bro, you seen that? I listened to your skill. It worked.
See?
Magic
You
is
just gotta
work.
apply it.
Hey, bro, come on. Get out of that zero zone.
Hey!
Okay, okay.
One ball, bro. One ball.
I'm gonna do like what you say. Go straight for the middle, and they'll make it.
Oh, shit. Damn, that's more right. That's more right, bro.
Your method's patch.
You got your method's
Method's
back.
patch.
Brody! What the hell, dude?
What do you mean buns?
Back for that ass. I'm winning this game. I'm winning this one.
Bro, what is wrong with you?
I don't know.
Make sure your monitor is at the right refresh rate.
Oh,
I think that's what it might be. Your
60 FPS, 65. I went to the right a little bit. Oh my gosh, dude! What the fuck?
You threw a fuck in.
Bro! Oh, hell no. Oh!
how's that not a strike?
Bro, what's wrong with you? Every single time, one.
He stole it. Or is gone.
Dude, you're
Might just
horrible.
be me. Hell.
You didn't pay attention.
No, you're not.
Hey, bro.
Bro got double
I know.
XP
muscle right now, bro.
Oh, okay. Ooh, okay, his first all gone.
I was releasing it too early.
Dang! Bro, you trying to break the floor.
I hit it.
Throwing it in the
Throwing it in the air.
Yeah. 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 Hit a little bit of curve with that.
Oh, they have air hockey. Bro. They have bumper cars.
Oh, man.
Hey, bro, they have bumper cars.
It's $1. I'm not running bumper cars. This is $1, bro.
Oh.
I'll do one.
He's
I'll-
blessing us.
Pay $1?
I think it's the play card.
Where do you get one of those at?
The machine. I think you spend like a minimum of like $20.
Dude, then that's not happening.
I was kidding. Oh, deal or no deal? You 5?
I don't have $5.
Yeah, you do, bro.
I don't have
Come on, bro.
$5.
Come on, bro. $5 right there. Right there. Put your card on.
I will. I mean, we can play like.
Hey, we can put 5 times.
Hey, do you want to?
I have $5.
Okay, I mean,
I'm trying to save
I'm just
money,
making
but I
sure.
have
I'm just
$5.
making sure.
Free start.
A little bit.
YouTube.
This is YouTube channel. Yeah. YouTube channel, bro.
Stop, man, you out here nowhere. I got ice on it, and I take you home.
Hell yeah.
Y'all don't fuck with him. I am heaven. Thank you. I am heaven. Don't fuck with him.
Hey.
Bro, you better hurry.
playing?
The battery's low. This is my only
playing
battery I
first?
got.
Okay,
You
run this
playing
shit,
him?
run this shit, run this
Oh,
shit.
me? Hold this.
Let's see.
Where the puck at?
It's probably gonna come out
Oh, I'm about to fuck
You
this
got
shit
it?
up. I don't got it.
I don't got it.
What?
What?
Let's see.
Scam?
I just got scammed.
No, bro, it's really high. Check. Goofy.
It's not. I got scammed, bro.
Bro, you didn't.
Try it again.
Try tap it again.
Try it
Yeah,
again.
tap it again. Alright, that's the end of this video. If you like it, give me a like and a subscribe. And I'm getting gas right now. 1791. I don't know if you can see that on camera. But yeah, I needed gas, so I got gas. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now, outro. The lighting isn't the best, but yeah. It was very fun overall. Might do it again sometime. We need to hang out more. But yeah. That's it for this video. More videos to come, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.